Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Telegram bot not working on PC. I was trying to use a few bots on Telegram on PC the other day and noticed they just weren't responding at all. So I went through a few quick checks like I normally would when something feels off, starting with making sure my internet connection was stable since bot depend heavily on live connection, and then I also check whether I had a VPN or proxy running because sometimes that can interfere with Telegram's requests and cause bots to stop loading properly. And after that, I opened Telegram settings and went into the advanced section where local storage and cache settings are managed. Then I cleared the cache to remove any possible corrupted data, and even adjusted storage limits before saving the changes. And once it was done, I restarted Telegram with proper permissions just to make sure everything was refreshed correctly. And in some cases, I also learned the issue can simply be on the bot side if their server is down, which means there's nothing to fix locally. And after going through all the bots started working again normally, which honestly shows how most of these issues come down to either connection, cache, or temporary server problems rather than anything complicated. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.